This man is Ken Johnson and he lives in Altadena, California. One day he started noticing strange noises coming from under his house, and so a few weeks ago he set up a camera in the crawl space after seeing some damage he thought might be from an animal, but for months, nothing appeared. Until last week, and what he saw in the footage terrified him. There was actually someone living underneath his house, and it was a massive black bear. It literally decided to take up residence under his home. The bear is huge, it's taller than a table and bigger than his trash bins. It had actually been coming and going, rummaging through trash and making loud noises under the floorboards for weeks. It turned out the area where his home is had been hit hard by a wildfire earlier in the year, and officials say bears sometimes take refuge in human homes when their habitats are disturbed. Johnson has reported the bear but hasn't heard back yet, and so while he waits for help, he's basically just having to live with a bear under his house. Honestly, that would terrify me.